Are you planning a trip to Ireland and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while travelling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Ireland in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Those links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Ireland is Maya Mobile. If you want cheap and flexible plans, Maya is a great choice. For Ireland, the plans start with 3GB for $7.19, valid for 10 days. You can also go for 5GB for $8.99 or 10GB for $13.49. All valid for 10 days. And if you need more data, there's 20GB for $18.89 or 40GB for $29.69. For travellers who need lots of data, Maya's unlimited 10-day data plan is just $25.19. It's the best unlimited rate I've seen for Ireland this year. Plus, all plans are 5G enabled and activate instantly. Maya's website is super simple. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're good to go. If you use the link in the description, you'll automatically get a 10% discount at checkout as well. Now, let me walk you through how to get started with Maya and grab your discount. First, click the Maya link below and it will take you to their homepage. In the destination box, type Ireland. You'll see all the plans I mentioned. Pick the one that works best for your trip. At the checkout, the 10% discount is already applied. No promo code needed. Once you finish the payment, Maya will email you a QR code in seconds. Just scan the code and you'll be live on Ireland's 5G network in less than 2 minutes. Now, if you've already tried Maya or you're looking for a smaller, super cheap option, I recommend Airolo. It's great for quick top-ups right from the app and gives you data with month-long validity. For Ireland, you can get 1GB for $5, valid for 7 days. There's also 2GB for $7 for 15 days and 3GB for $9 for 30 days. Then, for heavier users, there are bigger plans. You could choose 5GB for $13, 10GB for $22, or 20GB for $32. Each of these lasts a full 30 days. If you need unlimited data, there's also a 10-day plan for $35. Finally, once you purchase, the app sends you a QR code right away, and topping up later is super easy with just a tap. Use the link in the description and you'll get an automatic 10% discount with Airolo. So which one should you choose, Maya Mobile or Airolo? If you want the best overall deal, especially for high-speed use, short visits, or that killer unlimited plan, Maya Mobile is the clear winner. But if you need a tiny starter plan, month-long validity, or prefer managing everything inside an app, Airolo is a solid backup option. Both links are in the description and the discounts are already included. Just choose the plan that works best for your trip, follow the simple setup steps, and you'll be online in Ireland in minutes. Plus, there's no need to worry about roaming or swapping SIM cards. It's quick, easy, and stress-free. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.